Your best products end up wherever WooCommerce puts them, usually not where customers look. Sort products for WooCommerce by Xtify fixes that. Drag any product into any position. The rest shuffle around it, and the numbers update as you go. Work in a grid, or switch to a table with prices and stock in view. Or skip the dragging. Choose what you're sorting: the whole shop, a category, a tag. Then choose the rule. Put a sale order on a timer. It switches itself on Friday and off again on Monday morning. Show a different order to different people. Guests see one shelf. Wholesalers see the products they actually buy. Set as many rules as you like. There's a clear order of priority, so nothing conflicts. Plus the small things: attribute sorting, sale items first, one-click reset. Let's see it in action.
Once the plugin is active, you'll find it under Products, Sort Products. Everything lives on one screen. 7 tabs, one for each way of sorting. From here, you can hide WooCommerce's own sorting dropdown so customers see your order and nothing else. And if you ever want your original order back, one click resets everything. To sort the whole shop, open Shop Sorting and switch it on. Choose the direction, then choose what to sort by: ID, name, date, price, rating, number of reviews, most viewed, number of sales, or stock quantity. 9 options, each one ascending or descending. Save, and your whole shop follows that rule. Categories work the same way. Every category and subcategory in your store is detected automatically. Expand the one you want, switch it on, and give it its own order. Worth knowing, a category rule overrides your shop-wide setting, but only on that category's page. Everywhere else, the shop rule still applies. Tags work exactly the same. Now the part most people come here for. Custom sorting lets you place products by hand. Pick what you're arranging: the whole shop, a category, or a tag. Then drag products into the order you want. Everything else moves out of the way and the positions renumber as you go. If you'd rather work with numbers, switch to table view. Same order, with price and stock in front of you. With a large catalog, set how many products you want on a page before you start. It saves a lot of scrolling. And if you change your mind, Clear Custom Order wipes the arrangement in one click. Scheduled sorting puts an order on a timer. Name the rule, choose where it applies: the whole shop, a category, or a tag. Set a start and an end. It runs on your site's time zone, down to the minute. Give it a priority, arrange the products, and save. From then on, it switches itself on when the window opens and off again when it closes. Role-based sorting shows a different order to different people. Name the rule and pick the roles it applies to: guests, customers, subscribers, your shop managers. Choose where it applies. Arrange the products and save. A wholesaler can land on the same category page as a guest and see a completely different shelf. One last thing. You can run all of these at once, and the plugin tells you exactly what wins. Custom order first, then schedules, then roles, then your shop and category rules, and WooCommerce's default last. That's Sort Products for WooCommerce. Available now on the WooCommerce Marketplace.